What if I told you right now, as we speak, there are creatures alive on Earth that no human has ever seen? That beneath the waves lies a world more mysterious than space, a place where fish glow like lanterns and mountains erupt in completely darkness. In fact, this is not a science fiction. This is the deep sea, the largest, the darkest, and the least explored place on our planet. So welcome to the abyss, the Earth's final frontier. So Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Afiq. So today I'm taking you on a journey into the abyss, the mysterious world beneath our ocean. So although the ocean covers over 70% of our planet, we have only explored less than 5% of it. That means most of this vast underwater world remains completely unknown. So my speech today will focus on two main ideas. The first one is the hidden world beneath our ocean, or what life is like in the deep ocean, and the secrets still unknown, which is what we have not yet discovered. Right. So beneath the surface, beyond the reach of sunlight, lies a world more mysterious than space that few of us have ever seen. Temperatures fall near to freezing, pressure is 1,000 times greater than at sea level, and light is completely absent. Yet, despite these harsh conditions, life thrives in the deep sea, and it's unlike anything else you ever seen on Earth. Take the anglerfish for example. This terrifying looking fish has a glowing glow on its head that it uses to attract prey in total darkness. Or the Dumbo octopus, named for its eel-like fins which float gently through the water more than 13,000 feet deep. Then there are giant tube worms that live near the hydrothermal vents, so these creatures don't rely on sunlight at all. Instead, they survive through a chemosynthesis, a process that uses chemicals from the earth itself. Other species use bioluminescence, the ability to produce light to attract mates, confuse predators, or hunt prey. Imagine swimming in total darkness and suddenly seeing a flash of blue and green light coming from a living creatures. That's the kind of magic the deep ocean holds. It's a place life has adapted to the impossible and continues to surprise scientists with every dive. But now, here is the truly exciting part. We have barely scratched the surface of the ocean. Scientists estimate that millions of marine species remain undiscovered. Every deep sea mission brings back something new, from fish with transparent bodies to the creatures that glow in the dark, or even new form of bacteria with unique chemical properties. But it's not just animal. They also found many things such as underwater volcanoes taller than mountains, canyon greater than Grand Canyon, and the entire ecosystem around the hydrothermal vents that survive without sunlight. So the deep sea may even help us solve real world problems. For example, researchers studying deep sea microbes to create a new medicine and treatment such as antibiotics and anti-cancer drugs. Others are exploring materials from the deep organisms that could lead to a biodegradable plastic or better ways to filter water. But there is a challenge. We are exploring slowly, yet we are destroying rapidly. So the deep sea is threatened by plastic pollution which sink to the ocean floor, or climate change which affect the ocean temperature and chemistry. And also deep sea mining which can destroy fragile habitats before we even know they exist. It's like we tearing pages out of a book before we have the chance to even read them. So some scientists believe that the deep oceans play a critical role in regulating climate and weather, absorbing carbon and also supporting the planet's balance. So it may also hold natural system that we still don't fully understand, and yet we depend on it more than we ever realize. So for the conclusion, why is it matters? So the deep sea may seem distant, dark and silent, but it's full of life, full of wonder, and full of possibilities. It challenges what we think is possible and reminds us that there are still places on Earth left to explore. So the next time you look at the sea, don't just think about the surface. Think what about lies beneath the oceans, which is a glowing, mysterious world with creatures and secrets waiting to be discovered. So that's all from me today. But wait, always remember that the abyss is not empty. It's alive, and it's always calling.